Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. Today we're going to show you how you can fix your Spotify shuffle play problem. If you want to play your songs in your order of your playlist, but sadly that is not happening because of the shuffling, then we can help you with that. Stay tuned until the very end how to fix it. Now first you need to go to Spotify, and then you go to your music or to your playlist that you wish to play in order. And then you click on the songs that you wish to play. And now that you have clicked on a song, go ahead and open up the song bar at this part of your screen. And now that your song page has opened, you will notice that if you try to move to the other song, a random song will pop up. It will not come to the order of your playlist. Now, in order to fix this, it is super simple. Look at the left of your play pause button and you will see that there is a shuffle icon as shown in the video. Now you can directly go ahead and click it and it will turn off. And now that you've turned it off, go ahead and go to your next song and this will come as the order of your playlist. So this is super easy on how you can fix your shuffle play problem. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment down what you want to see next.